Tired of complicated and expensive money transfers? Today, we're diving into how you, in Bangladesh, can easily register for Taptap Send, a fast and reliable way to send and receive money internationally. First, grab your smartphone and head over to your app store, search for Taptap Send and look for the app with the distinctive purple icon. Once found, tap install and wait for the app to download. While it's downloading, you can consider what you'll need: your national ID or passport to confirm your identity, and a reliable internet connection. After the app is finished installing, tap open. Great! Now, on the app's main screen, you'll typically see a prominent Get Started or Sign Up button. Tap this to begin creating your account. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number and likely your email address. Make sure you have access to both, since you'll receive verification codes or important communications. Enter your date of birth and select your country of residence, which, of course, is Bangladesh. Tap Continue or the similar labeled Action button when finished. The app will then send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Check your messages, enter the code in the designated field and tap Submit. You'll typically need to agree to their terms and conditions as well. You'll next likely need to verify your identity. You will be asked to fill in your personal information, such as your full name, and you'll upload an image of your valid ID. This is a crucial step for security. If you are sending, you will receive instructions on how to specify the amount to send, and for the recipient's payment method details. This may include bank account details or mobile wallet information, depending on where you're sending the money. Congratulations! You've successfully registered for Taptap Send. At the end of the process, you'll see a summary screen and confirmation message. From here, you can start sending money instantly and securely. Don't forget to check taptapsend.com for details about any promotion they may be running. Happy sending!